Looking to buy an economical little city car that's also genuinely fun to drive? Look no further. The Kia Picanto GT is an absolute gem. Manual transmission, a peppy 1-litre turbo engine, and the kind of point-and-shoot handling you get from a go-kart. It looks cool too, with its racy red pinstripe and cute proportions. Check out the tiny front and rear overhangs. All wheels are pushed right out to the corners, so it's exactly like a Formula 1 car. Well, almost. The GT is the flagship model, and it comes with a bespoke powertrain and body trimmings. It's front-wheel drive, and it weighs about the same as an office chair. It also comes with these 16-inch alloy wheels, wearing 195/45 tyres. They are pretty narrow, but don't worry, this is all about balance and lightness. Hence, it doesn't need any special multi-piston brakes. This pulls up really well, even after repeated abuse. Inside, it is surprisingly spacious. Everyone says surprisingly, but it really is. Because you look at the outside, and you wouldn't think you could get 4 adults in here, in reasonable comfort, but you actually can, so long as everyone isn't really tall or really fat. Kia always does a good job with packaging and ergonomics. And just because this is the entry model line, the same philosophy applies. Buttons and controls are in the right places, and there's a wide array of standard features, including a 7-inch touchscreen. More red highlights are applied inside to suit the excited character. Although there are no rear climate vents, the cabin volume is small enough that the front vents handle the job just fine. Boot space isn't awesome, as you probably expected. However, at 255 litres, it isn't far away from some small SUVs and other larger cars. You can even fold down the rear seats for more room, and you can do this from the boot area, because the rear seat is right there. Sadly, this 1-litre turbo 3-cylinder engine is not going to continue for the facelifted model for 2024. Instead, all variants will come with a 1.2-litre non-turbo engine. You can still opt for a manual though, so that's good. If you are thinking of buying something in this segment, we'd suggest you act fast to get hold of one of these manual turbo models, before MY24 takes over. The 2024 model showcases a cool new design, although it carries over the same fundamental theme. It also features a number of technology updates, including a digital screen for the gauge cluster. There is no more GT variant unfortunately, instead only a GT line. It comes with new alloy wheels and a D-shaped sports steering wheel. All variants feature a 62 kilowatt 1.2 engine. One of the best things about the GT is that you don't need to journey out to your favourite secluded road to enjoy a drive. This can be a lot of fun just zipping around in the city or dense suburbs. The suspension is a bit choppy, as per typical of a short wheelbase car, but it helps to reduce body lean while providing a sporty and responsive feel. And the turbo engine produces a playful thrum. The visibility is excellent thanks to the tall windows, so it's easy to park in the tightest of spaces. With only 74 kilowatts on tap, you can also pretty much floor it everywhere you go. We'd like to see more cars like this, please. This is what it goes like.